How to delete Uber account. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Login Giants. Now let's get started. Open your Uber app. Make sure you have already logged into your Uber account. You're gonna land to the home page. Now at the bottom you're gonna find different options. Head towards this option of account. Now go to the option settings. Over here you're gonna find different options. Head towards the option of privacy. Now open this option privacy center. Scroll all the way down, you can find the option of account deletion. Tap on it. Now over here type in the email address or phone number that is linked with your Uber account. After you type in, tap on continue. Now you will be receiving 4-digit code in your phone number. You have to just enter that code over here. After you enter that, you will land to this page. Now over here also you will need to provide 4-digit code that has been sent to the email address that is linked with your Uber account. So close this and open your mail and check whether you have received the mail from Uber or not. At the very top you can see that I have received the mail. All you have to do is open that mail and this is the code. Now type in that code over here. With that you will land to this page. Now scroll down. Tap on this option of continue. Now here you have to give a reason why do you want to delete your account. After you give the reason, you will land to this page. Now tap on delete account. Your account deletion request was successful. You will now be logged out. So this was all for this video. This is how you can delete your Uber account. If you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.